Here we go. What's going on, you guys? First episode. I'm here with my man Corey. We got this all figured out, right? Or we're getting there. Got the headset. We got the Zoom mic. So I wanted to get you guys involved with our first ever carnivore diet. Like talk, podcast, whatever. Anyway, we just want to do some filming outside. So I figured I'd bring you guys in. This is where I do my morning walk every day. Get grounded. Get the bare feet. You go out Diamond Head, the sun just comes up right over there in the corner, and all of a sudden you get the light in your eyes, you got your feet grounded to the earth, and you're doing some walking, you go all the way around on the beach, you end up in the ocean. So that's kind of how that morning routine goes. And right behind me is our calisthenic spot. So that's where, Corey was just hitting some pull-ups, getting some push-ups in, those kind of things. So pushing, pulling, and squatting, we'll go over that later. Yeah, so what a lot of questions I've had is like, what is the carnivore diet, right? And well, in its basic form, the carnivore diet's actually a elimination diet. So what it does is it eliminates all these different kind of foods that people eat, and basically gets you down to like one base, nutritious substance, because people are allergic to things and they don't even know it. They don't even realize it. So what this does is kind of like, minimize the chances for being allergic to things. Once you reset things, you can introduce stuff back. But anyway, everyone says this carnivore thing is about eating meat, which is part of it, but the real thing is what you're not eating. So this is an elimination diet. So that's what it is at its core. And yeah, and we figure if you're going to choose one stable, food to have, you might as well have it be red meat, right? It's the most nutritious, it's the densest, and if you can get it with like a lot of fatty cuts, then you get a lot of different caloric intake as well that way. So that's kind of what that stuff is, basically. And yeah, I'm going to tell you how to go about it, how to get it, how to shop for it, and then what it's done to me, why I got into it. The whole, reason I'm even in this predicament is because I had a hip replacement about 3 years ago. And during that time, like before I had it, I wanted to try and solve it naturally. So I was going through various things with joints and like inflammation, and how to, bounce back from it or decrease it. And stumbled across Mikhaila Peterson. She was 13, had some like major bone degeneration, ended up having a hip replacement in her teens, and like basically her body rejected everything, almost everything she ate it gave an allergic reaction, and I've seen it in different people. So going down that rabbit hole, I changed from more like a balanced diet, at that point, to this basic carnivore, steak eating, burger eating business. Anyway, that's what it is. First take.